had real nice style and wings on her back. Wings on her back, wings on her back. She had swag like mine and ones in her crack. Ones in her crack, ones in her crack. She had a real fine ass, so I hit it from the back. Hit it from the back, hit it from the back. And when I had the pussy, made her purr like a cat. Purr like a cat, purr like a cat. I had my first stripper at the age of 16. Had me feeling like the club was the place to be. I swear I couldn't wait till she got off the clock so we could go back to her spot and she'd hop on top. She would dance to rap, but listen to rock. We'd be fucking a kiss and then I'd switch it to pop. She would drive me around and pay for my shit, and I never got jealous of the dudes that she hit. I got private dances in the VIP, champagne room or co-workers and me. Took me in through the back so I chilled till 3, and when the club closed back to her W suite. And I thought she was so right for me. Truth be told, spent every night with me, talking on the phone, never trying to fight with me. I almost thought she would spend her whole life with me. Real nice style and wings on her back. Wings on her back, wings on her back. She had swag like mine and ones in her crack. Ones in her crack, ones in her crack. She had a real fine ass, so I hit it from the back. Hit it from the back, hit it from the back. And when I had the pussy, made her purr like a cat. Purr like a cat, purr like a cat. She was sexy as hell with a real short fuse. Tough love on her hands and face tattoos. But one day I picked up her kick and bad news. Texting her ex, I love and miss you. Like damn, I'm trying to get away from the scene. Now I'm fucking bitches trying to be Kat Von D. Not to mention how much she loved the attention from anyone and everyone who show her affection. I wasn't trying to waste my time with that. One of her friends on my lap, yeah, I'm fine with that. Thought to myself, I guess it's time that I got her back. Plus I hear her from Michelle has a nice pussy cat. In the end I had the last fucking laugh, cause she is still that bitch getting naked for cash. And now I am the kid making money over tracks. And you can't hate the real cause I'm only spilling facts. Real nice style and wings on her back. Wings on her back, wings on her back. She had swag like mine and ones in her crack. Ones in her crack, ones in her crack. She had a real fine ass, so I hit it from the back. Hit it from the back, hit it from the back. And when I had the pussy, made her purr like a cat. Purr like a cat, purr like a cat. I had those ones in my hand. You had this need for a man. I had those bills in my hand. You had this need for a man. This need for a man. This need for a man. Glad you let me figure you out. You were different from the rest of them, better than the rest of them. You were so untamable. Glad you let me figure you out. I just had to figure you out. She had real nice style and wings on her back. Wings on her back, wings on her back. She had swag like mine and ones in her crack. Ones in her crack, ones in her crack. She had a real fine ass, so I hit it from the back. Hit it from the back, hit it from the back. And when I had the pussy, made her purr like a cat. Purr like a cat, purr like a cat. She had real nice style and wings on her back. Wings on her back, wings on her back. She had swag like mine and ones in her crack. Ones in her crack, ones in her crack. She had a real fine ass, so I hit it from the back. Hit it from the back, hit it from the back. And when I had the pussy, made her purr like a cat. Purr like a cat, purr like a cat.
Give a bow. It's not a dojo.